I stood in front of them, took off my jacket, threw it off. I say, let's make a bet right now. I'm going to Bitcoin. Will you join me? Welcome back. Today I'm seated here with my really nice margarita. Let me take a sip first, alright? And I want to share with you about 3 very important points that is potentially going to help you make 10 times of your money. We call it the 10x. And in this 10x, there are 3 very powerful ideas. If you look at them individually, they are separate. But we're going to combine these 3 powerful ideas together and going to make sense out of it. Number 1, the idea of investing into Tesla as a stock. How do you make money from the stock market? We traditionally call it buy low, sell high, make money, right? But this experience of buy low, sell high, make money is going to transform radically. Because, you know, if you have been watching and tracking Elon Musk as an entrepreneur and the CEO behind Tesla itself, you realize that he has the ability, the unique ability to mobilize millions of fans to whatever the cause that he believes in. So take in the case of Tesla. Look at how the stock price of Tesla has moved over the past 3 years itself. Now last year they did an amazing figure, produced and delivered close to 500,000 Tesla cars in China alone. And just this month, Elon Musk has shared with the world, hey, we got about 1 million cars on the road today, but next year we're gonna have 2 million. Now straight away, when I read a line like this, ding, what goes to the mind is, this guy is going to deliver 2 times straight away between now versus next year. Now that is easily a 2x return, because if you can sell double of the number of cars running on the road, that is a 2 times return. But the real big return that we're aiming for is 10x. So how does this play out for us? Because in China, there is a unique law that's passed down by the central government. And what this central government essentially is telling us is that, hey, you know what? In the year 2025, we need to have 25% of all the cars sold every year from 2025 onwards to be an electric vehicle. Now, that is gorgeous news. And if you look at 25% of all cars sold in China itself in 2025, the projected numbers is, it is 10 times from where we are right now. So I'm not going to dive into the details of that. We're going to share that in a separate YouTube video, but I want to share with you how does that transform and translate to the stock price we are looking at. Today, on record, Tesla is trading at below 700, all right? Now, in order for us to make 10 times of the money, then jolly well the stock price got to be trading at $7,000. So 700 multiplied by 10, you have $7,000. But that is going to be a little bit too long for us. So what is the secret recipe to shorten this wait from 700 to 7,000 is that you just have to switch the instrument. If you are playing stock, you need to wait for 700 to reach 7,000 to make a 10 times return. But today, if we switch to options, straight away you enjoy 10 times leverage of the movement. So by a simple switch to options trading, you're going to get 10 times the return for the same amount of work that you put into buying the stock of Tesla. So this is point number 1. But what really got me excited today is the fact that the second point, the whole evolution of Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin, it's like started since the financial crisis 2008 until right now, and I've been preaching to the whole wide world, hey guys, you got to get into Bitcoin. But nobody is taking action until recently. Because back in 2019, I stood in front of 20,000 Chinese from mainland China. On the stage, I took off my jacket and said, let's make a bet. And the bet is this: with the launch of DCP, Digital Currency Electronic Payment, which is right now known as the China Digital Yuan Currency, hey what? You know what? You got to get involved in Bitcoin right now. Why? The reason is because with the launch of digital currency in China, every Chinese will be equipped with a digital wallet. Now, the moment you have digital wallet, what does that do? It provides free education to the whole concept of a digital wallet, digital payment, and everybody will go to the de facto coin. And that is Bitcoin itself, mama. So I stood in front of them, took off my jacket, threw it off. I say, let's make a bet right now. I'm going to Bitcoin. Will you join me? Now, looking from the past to the present at this moment, what you get to see is that, wow, the price has already shot up to $50,000, more than $50,000 per coin. And that's like, if you go in at 10,000 and 50,000, that's already like 5 times of your returns, right? So Bitcoin itself, it is a valuable asset to begin with. If you are starting new today, I want to encourage you to get into Bitcoin. In fact, later on, please subscribe because some of you are going to win free Bitcoin from me. I've been giving away free Bitcoin every month since last year. All right, the record itself shows. So if you're interested, go and subscribe right now, and we'll be giving out Bitcoins to some of you today. Now, coming back to Bitcoin, what is the correlation between Bitcoin and Tesla? Very simple. In February this year, 2021, Tesla has announced that they have bought up $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. That sent the price of Bitcoin soaring above $40,000 per coin. That is like holy mama. Now, these two right now are forever intricately linked together. Tesla and Bitcoin. That leads me to the third point. Are you still there with me? And the third point is this. When you have Tesla selling electric vehicles and you have Bitcoin as a digital payment, you combine these two, what has essentially happened right now on point number 3 is every country out there in the world today, they are rushing to launch their very own sovereign digital currency. Let's take a look at China itself. I can tell you, by February next year, 2022, ahead of the Beijing Winter Olympics, the China digital yuan is ready for full-scale launch. And right now, as we speak, the crypto daddy of the world, Christopher, my friend I met in Davos, February 2020 last year, he is heading the digital dollar project. And today, he has announced that he has convinced 6 major banks in the US to start the test pilot. Now, they might be a little bit behind the Chinese, but guess what? With a committed, single-minded, focused launch of digital currency in the United States, we're going to see these 3 ideas linked together. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Stock price of Tesla is going to spike up. Price of Bitcoin is going to spike up. And with the whole launch of a digital currency coming from the US dollar, ladies and gentlemen, essentially, we have converted everyone on planet Earth on the whole idea behind a digital wallet, digital payment, withdrawal, deposit. Everybody is a winner. So, are you excited right now together with me? And if you are, go and subscribe, all right? I'm going to release more and more videos to talk about this. In fact, we're going to do live trading together. I'm planning ahead for the first anniversary of the 3rd Bitcoin halving event. And those of you who are interested, quickly sign up for the event. Come and watch us trade Bitcoin live together. I see you the next time. You're just one spike away. Goodbye.